Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 11 Basic Genetics. Theory of spontaneous generation was proposed by Aristotle. De Graaf in 1673 suggested that both the parents contribute to heredity. Camerilus in 1694 first described reproductive organs of a plant maize. He observed that maize plant did not seed when pollen was not applied to their pistils. First artificial hybrid in plant was developed by Thomas Fairchild in 1717 when he crossed Sweet William with Carnation. The theory of epigenetics was given by Wolff. The theory of pangenesis was given by Charles Darwin in 1859. A conclusive evidence for the fusion of sperm and ovum was presented by O. Hertwig in 1875 in Sea Urchin. Strasburger in 1884 described fertilization in angiosperms. The term chromosome was first used by Valdier in 1888. In 1902, M.C. Klung described the chromosome of Hemipetra. Multiple factor hypothesis was provided by Nielsen and Ehle. Sutton and Bawadi in 1903 proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance, ICR-JRF 1999. The term gene, genotype, and phenotype were coined by Johansen in 1903, and in 1903 he also proposed the pure line theory. In 1905, Bateson coined the term genetics, ICR-JRF 99 and 2003. The multiple factor hypothesis was given by Euler in 1906 in order to explain the inheritance of quantitative or metric characters. The evidence of cytoplasmic inheritance was first presented by Correns in Mirabilis jalapa 4 o'clock plant and Bauer in Pelargonium zonale in 1908. Sex-linked inheritance was reported for the first time by Morgan in Drosophila melanogaster. Question asked in ICR-JRF 99, 2000, 2001. Morgan and co-workers in 1910 developed the technique of chromosome mapping through linkage studies and prepared the first ever linkage map of Drosophila. The name of botanist who recognized the importance of sex in plants is Carolus Linnaeus, ICR-JRF 2003. The term heterosis was coined by Schull in 1910, ICR-JRF 2003. Term bacteriophage was coined by Felix de Herrera in 1917. The theory of inheritance of acquired character was given by Lamarck. Origin of Species was written by Charles Darwin, and he also gave the theory of pangenesis. If there are n number of alleles for a gene, then the number of different genotypes produced would be 2 to the power n. Rapnobrassica, the yellow polyploid from the cross Brassica oleracea and Raphanus sativus, was first obtained by the Russian genetics Karpenchko in 1927 through the fusion of spontaneously produced unreduced gametes. In 1944, MacLeod-McCarthy proposed the role of transforming principle in genetic transformation of Diplococcus pneumoniae, ARS 2007. The phenomena of recombination in various viruses was first described by Hershey and Rotman in 1945. The radioisotopes used by Hershey and Chase to demonstrate that DNA is the genetic material were phosphorus 32 and sulfur 35. Question asked in ICR-JRF 1999. Half-life of sulfur 35 is 87.2 days and half-life of phosphorus 32 is 14.3 days. Question asked in ICR-JRF 99. In cytogenetics, genome refers to a single set of chromosomes referred to nuclear chromosome and is denoted by X. Polyphage virus has got single stranded DNA genome, ICR-JRF 99. Tobacco mosaic virus is having single stranded RNA, ICR-JRF 1999. Tobacco mosaic virus is an RNA virus containing single stranded RNA. It was the first crystallized virus discovered by Stanley in 1926. Fine structure of gene was put forward by Benger in 1952 in R2 locus of T4 phage of the E. coli. Question asked in ICR JRF 99 IRI 2003. R2 locus of T4 phage of E. coli contain two cistrons. ICRGRF 2000. Hemizygous gene is located on Y chromosome. ICRGRF 99. Alternative form of a gene is known as allele. ICRGRF 2003. Genetic variation in fungi is due to gene conversion or non-reciprocal recombination. Question asked in ICRGRF 2000. The antibiotic resistance gene in bacteria are called R factor. ICRGRF 2004. Bacteria may have plasmids of both type, transmissible and non-transmissible. ICRGRF 2003. Normal vegetative production in bacteria is by binary fission. Homologous recombination is homology dependent. GRF 2003. The division time of bacteria, E. coli and similar microorganisms ranges from 20 minutes to 1 hour. Thus, a single E. coli cells which divide approximately 30 minutes can grow into a colony containing 10 to the power 7 to 10 to the power 8 cells in 12 hours. CSIR June 2003 question. The type of genetic recombination in which bacteria take up the genetic material from a non-living source is known as transformation. ARSNet 2001. Transformation was discovered by Griffith in Diplococcus pneumoniae in 1928. ARSNet 2001. DNA transfer mediated by viruses is called transduction. ICRGRF 2000, ARS 2007 question. Transduction is catalyzed by phages. IRI 2003. Transduction was discovered by Ginder and Lederberg in 1952. GRF 2001, NET 2001. Generalized transduction is carried out by both virulent, lytic and temperate lysogenic phages, while specialized transduction is carried out only by the temperate phages. Conjugation was discovered by Lederberg and Totem in 1946 and they get Nobel Prize for this discovery in 1956. NET 2001 question. Conjugation occurs between F plus and F minus cells. ARSNet 2001. F minus is not a donor of DNA. ICRGRF 99. In conjugation, a large part of genome is transferred from F plus cells to the F minus cells, making them F plus cells. ARS 2007. Merozygote is a partial diploid formed during conjugation. ICRGRF 99. The plasmid carrying TRA gene is known as conjugative plasmid TRA+. ARSNet 2001. The high frequency recombination in bacterial conjugation is associated with multi-copy F factor. Conjugation mapping unit is CM. Centimorgan, ICRGRF 1999. Grigor J. Mendel is regarded as the father of genetics. ICR 2003. Mendel initially took up 34 varieties of pea and firstly he selected 22 varieties for his experiment work. Question asked in TRS 2003, CSIR December 2003. Mendel has worked on garden pea whose chromosome number is 2n is equal to 14. ICRGRF 2003. Mendel's law of inheritance were discovered by Karl Cordens from Germany, Teschmark from Austria and D. Veris from Holland. ICRGRF 2003. Superiority of F1 over any of the parent is known as heterosis and the over the better parent is called heterobeltosis. In any crop, hybrid seed is produced by crossing A and R lines. The more closely linked R2 marker gene, the more frequent would be the non-reciprocal recombination between them. Recombination frequency is directly proportional to the distance for reciprocal combination. Recombination between two linked genes cannot exceed by 50% even when multiple crossover occurs between them. Question asked in ICR JRF 2000, 2001 and IRI 2003. Common bread wheat Triticum aestivum is allohexaploid in nature, while Triticum turgidum and Triticum dicoccum are tetraploid in nature. Triticum aestivum is having genome AABBDD, where A is contributed by Triticum monococcum, B is by Agilis splendens and D by Aquarius squarosa. In a hybrid segregating for n number of genes, 2 to power n different kind of gametes will be produced. Haplococcus gracillus, a member of Compositae, has 4 chromosomes in its somatic cells, which is the lowest chromosome number in plants. Drosophila melanogaster has chromosome number 2n is equal to 8. Then the pleiotropic genes, a single major gene affecting more than one character, is known as pleiotropic genes. The phenomena of one gene controlling many traits is known as pleiotropy. IRI 2000, ICR JRF 2004. Complete haploid set of chromosome of an individual constitute its genome. IRI 2001. Progeny produced from haploid anther is homozygous in nature. IRI 2001, ARS 2009. Back cross is made between F1 and any of the parents, while test cross is made between F1 and recessive parent. IRI 2001. Isogenic lines are the plants having similar genotype but differing in a single locus only. IRI 2001. A test cross of 3:1 is obtained in the gene interaction of complementary gene action. IRI 2000. Hordeum bulbosum has 2n is equal to 14. Maize is a monoecious species, show gatinogamy. Date palm is a dioecious species. Reciprocal cross is made to find out whether both male and female parents are contributing equally to the progeny or not. Coding sequences of a gene are exon. ICR JRF 2001, ARS 2001. Coding sequence of a gene are exon. Viral oncogenes do not have any introns. ICR JRF 2001. Cellular oncogenes have got introns. ICR JRF 2001. P factor in Drosophila is related to transposable elements. The crop in which autotetraploid variety is commonly cultivated is banana. IRI 2000 question. The gene to gene relationship revealed that resistance in the host and virulence in the pathogens are interlinked. IRI 2000 question. DNA recombination repair system involves the random recombination of the same DNA fragment from some other organism by Rache action. IRI 2003. Cytoplasmic male sterility is due to the defect in mitochondrial genome. Isogenic lines are the lines that differ at only one locus. IRI 2003 question. Genes for developing dwarf wheat varieties were introduced from Mexico. IRI 2001 question. Syngamy refers to the fusion of a sperm with its egg. ICR JRF 99. For doubling of chromosome number, we give colchicine treatment. IRI 2001. The CMS shows cytoplasm controlled inheritance. IRI 2000. National Biodiversity Authority is located at Chennai. ARS 2007. Registered seed is obtained from foundation seed. ARS 2007. Wheat as an allohexaploid crop. ARS 2007. Rice has got 12 pair of homologous chromosomes and its 2n is equal to 24. ARS 2007. Genes are arranged in a chromosome in a linear fashion. ICR JRF 2003. Number of genotypes in a trihybrid cross is 3 to the power n. In dihybrid cross is to the 2 to the power n, and in trihybrid cross it is 3 to the power n. ICR JRF 2003. Cytoplasmic male sterility in maize is strictly controlled by mitochondrial DNA. F2 ratio in monohybrid cross is 3:1, that is the phenotypic ratio, and the genotypic ratio in 1:2:1. If tall plant is crossed with dwarf plant, then the F1 is tall hybrid tall point, then this is happening due to dominance. If a dihybrid cross is a test cross, the phenotypic ratio of the progeny will be 1:1:1:1. Question asked in ICR JRF 2003. If a dihybrid without genetic interaction is self, the ratio obtained in F2 will be 9:3:3:1. Question asked in ICR JRF 2003. Progeny from a cross between tetrasomic and disomic plants show a high frequency of trisomics. The process of masking the expression of a non-allelic gene by another gene pair is known as epistasis. ICR JRF 2003. A plant with 2n is equal to 20 will have how many linkage group? That is the -10. N is equal to haploid number of chromosome. ICR JRF 2003. The ploidy level of common wheat is hexaploid. ICRGRF 2003. Colchicine is an alkaloid obtained from the bulbs of Colchium autumnale. It interferes with the development of spindle fibers, as a consequence of which the sister chromatids of chromosome are unable to migrate to the opposite poles during anaphase. The chromosome doubling effect of the colchicine was first described by Blaxley and Nebel independently in 1937. A character determined by many genes and does not show discrete variation is known as quantitative character. ICRGRF 2003. Alternative form of a gene is known as allele. ICRGRF 2003. LOD score, logarithmic ratio between probability of having a linkage and probability of not having linkage. Then L odds is equal to log 10 of the probability of linkage by probability of no linkage. More LOD score is required for mapping studies. Auxotroph cannot grow on minimal media without external source of supply. Prototroph can grow on minimal media, wild type. Operons. They constitute operationally and functionally related genes. Arabidopsis thaliana chromosome number 2n is equal to 10 is known as Drosophila of plant kingdom. Extensive genetic and physical map of all its 5 chromosomes are available. IRI 2003-2005 question. Virions are the naked RNA viruses. The first chromosome map was produced by Sturtevant in 1988 for Drosophila. Often cross-pollinated crops have 5 to 13% cross-pollination, example cotton, jowar, etc. In case of many genes, mutant alleles located in the same gene show complementation, which is referred to as intragenic complementation. Nobilization of sugarcane means cross-noble cane Saccharum officinarium with any other cane. The deficiency of dopamine in the body cells lead to paralysis of brain. This disease is known as Parkinson's disease. Question asked in ARS NET 2001. DNA methylation is carried out at adenine and cytosine bases by DAM and DCM methylase respectively. Question asked in ARS NET 2001. Bacteriophage save their own DNA from degradation by internal restriction enzyme due to the process of methylation. ARS 2001 and JRF 2001. Prions are basically proteins only. Mitochondrial genomes undergo recombination in hybrid cells. These are the segregation ratio question asked in ICR JRF 2001. That is, in the independent assortment, the phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:4:1:2:1:2:1. In monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. In supplementary genes, the phenotypic ratio is 9:3:4, complementary genes 9:7 and gene duplication 15:1. Next is the match of the following. In complete dominance, the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. In codominance, 1:2:1. In backcross, 1:1. In recessive lethal, 1:2. And in the independent assortment, the ratio is 9:3:3:1. Then again the discovery, the Mendel discovered the law of dominance, Morgan discovered the gene theory, Franklin discovered X-ray diffraction analysis, Watson and Crick discovered DNA double helix in 1953 and Mischer discovered nucleic acid in 1969. Then again move to the bacteriophages. These are the virus infecting bacteria. Capsid is a protein coat of virus. Jacob and Modald give the operant concept in 1961 and oncogenes responsible for causing AIDS. Morgan discovered the multiple alleles. Melson and Stahl's semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. Crick gave the central dogma of molecular biology. Franklin Wilkins gave the X-ray diffraction studies. This is the IRI 2000 question. Lamarck gave inheritance of acquired character. Johnson pure line theory. H. Floor gene to gene relation and Waxman antibiotic. The next one is the IRI 2000-2003 matching. N.I. Wavilo, center of origin. Darwin, law of homologous series. Crick's vowel hypothesis in 1958. Biffin, Mendelian inheritance of disease. And McClung sex chromosome. The next one is the question asked in IRI 2000. Human blood group is the lethal recessivity. Albinism is an incomplete dominance. Heterosis is an example of over dominance. An F1 phenotype similar to one of the parent is the example of codominance. Next move, IRI 2000 question. Dioecious plant is date palm, monoecious plant is maize and apigeal germination is occur in pea. So ये सारा क्वेश्चन शॉर्ट नोट्स था हमारा चैप्टर जेनेटिक्स के ऊपर. अब हम इसके आगे जो है वो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 12 का आपको रैपिड नोट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे ताकि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स में आपको बहुत हेल्प मिल सके. सो ऑलवेज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. लेट्स ट्यून टू माई चैनल. थैंक यू for your cooperation.